Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. If we want to reuse the same formatting again, then we use this tool Format Painter for it. So what we need to do, we simply select it and then just click here once and then apply this formatting. And what if I want this formatting again and again in several places? So each time I have to select this formatting and then click here and then use it. But what if I tell you an easier way of doing it without the hassle of selecting again and again? So what you need to do, first we'll press Ctrl Z. So what you need to do actually, you will simply select the text and then you will double click this format painter despite of clicking it once. So I'm double clicking it and now I'm applying formatting here and then I'm scrolling down and I'm applying it here also and so on. You see, no matter how much text I have, I can apply the formatting on it easily. And if you want to just end this process, so press escape, ESC, the top left key in your keyboard, and press it and then you will get to the normal. So it's really the easiest way. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, give it a like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week. Take care. Allah Hafiz.